Welcome to our MENA Online Accelerator Demo Day. We have 4 great teams in the IoT and connected hardware space to showcase to you today. We're excited about all the hard work that these teams have been putting in over the last couple months, and for you to now see what they've been up to and how you can potentially get involved to help support their growth. We want to say a special thank you to Tamkeen, as well as our ecosystem partners, the EDB, the Ministry of Industry and Commerce, Startup Bahrain, as well as Batelco, without which none of this would be possible. We also want to let you know that we've launched a new co-working space in Bahrain called D1, and if you're ever in the area, we'd love to welcome you to check out the facilities and really start connecting with the growing startup ecosystem in the region. Thank you very much. Sit back and enjoy.